So this is Jen's Epson WF-7515 A3 multifunction all-in-one printer, scanner, fax machine, whatever the hell else it is. The problem with it is I wiped the top of it tonight with a damp, I mean mildly damp, to remove anything off the scanner bed. So that's lovely and clean, not over, it wasn't damp at all really. And she went to scan something and it threw an error, locked up the scanner software, and the printer now does this. If it'll turn on, yes, here we go. All sounds good, doesn't it? Just wait though. Hear that? Look at that. Motor's jammed up. See up there. This part is not moving at all. It's like it's trying to go somewhere it shouldn't. I don't know why. I have no idea. I've had it apart, tried to recenter it, because I had it on a scanner before, and it throws a scanner error, turn power off, then on again. If error not fixed, please contact Epson support. Well, given the fact it's 6 years old, I can tell honestly they'll give me bin it. It's like it's lost its center position, because I've actually tried manually, basically sliding this bit all the way across there, and then like all the way across there, then turning it back on, and it works its way along, and it comes to here for some reason, and then jams up here for some reason. I don't know why. I've had this apart as far as I can get it. I actually managed to slip the drive bit off by mistake. I'm my dog trying to ram her way through. 1 second, Sky, please. Managed to get it all back together, and it's still not cooperating. Someone suggested thumping the side of it, because sometimes it's just about something jammed the motor. Well, that kind of worked, and then it started making even worse noises, so we desisted with that. So we have now ordered in HP 7720 as a replacement for a grand total of £60 ex display. Don't care if it prints, because we have a Canon A3 printer over on the other side that actually works pretty well. It's just this has decided to throw a fit. I think it was coincidental that I wiped it and then it stopped working, because it was working fine. I wiped it, as I've said, because there was a bit of dust on here, so I wiped it to get it clean. Dried it off, made sure it was bone dry, put Jen's ID card down to scan it, and start the scan on Jen's workstation. Epson software locked up, this locked up, powered this off, powered the computer off, tries again, and it just starts showing this error about the scanner. Turn power off, then on again. So I don't know what's going on. It sounds like the scanner motor's going berserk. Either that or the scanner can't find the home position and it's just going berserk for it. So it's getting scrapped for 60 quid. I'm not fighting with this. Yeah. And if you got any ideas, please let us know.